Hey everyone, my name is Rachel, and my husband and I bought a 1993 Bounder last week. So we want to start renovating, updating, stuff like that. So we want to document our journey, so maybe it'll help someone out there. Let me give you the grand tour. So this is the front area, the driver's seat. I do not like the color of the captain's chairs. We'll probably leave the carpet, even though it is a hideous lavender color, just because this box here houses the motor. You lift this whole piece off right here, and so that's your motor under there. Not sure what color I would change, but that's a lot of work. I'm not sure if I want to get into that. We're definitely going to be changing that curtain because, yeah, it's ugly. So we've already taken the cabinet doors off, so we can sand them. And what we did is each little cabinet door, we put a number up on the cabinet. I don't know if you can see that. That way, we put all of the cabinets back where they belong. We will be removing this television, even though it does work. I want a nice size one. If I have to take it down when I'm traveling, then so be it. I like my movies and my video games. So we've already removed all the cabinets, all the cabinet doors. The previous owner replaced this wall paneling, stuff like that back here. You can see it had existing water damage. All of the leaks are fixed. It has rained since we have gotten it, and we've checked and made sure that nothing else was dripping through. So I just have to find a really good cleaner to clean that funky stain off that seems to be everywhere in this area. So here's the kitchen. We found more damage. Like I said, it's rained. We checked that. It's not re-leaking, so now it's just a cleanup because I don't want to put my dishes or anything in a cabinet that looks nasty like that. So see, we already started chipping and peeling the wall right there because it's damaged. So what we're going to do is we're going to try and do it without removing the whole cabinetry because we couldn't find any videos that we could do it safely and put them back up because I'm not giving up these cabinets. I love them. This piece will have to be replaced. It's kind of bent and bowed out. You can see it from right there. It's really funky up in there. So they did a little bit, almost. I'm not sure if they were trying to hide something there. We are going to rip that out because we're going to be replacing all of the board. Even in here, you can see it had previous water damage up in there. Even down here near the passenger side captain's chair, you can see the break here. That means there was water damage. And we believe it was because the awning outside ripped off, or maybe wind came and ripped it off. I've heard of that. We'll be refacing these. They had some existing tabletop stuff like this table, which I don't like. I think it looks cheap and funky, but not funky in a good way, but that's just my preference. I'll be recovering the cushions because, I'm a 90s kid, but no, I can't deal with stuff like that. Excuse the mess. So they did replace the floor. I will leave it. And then eventually we will replace this carpet in here. Here's all of our cabinet doors. We just have it stored right now. It's just too brown. I'm not a big fan of brown. That was my last name, my maiden name growing up. So I'm not a fan of brown. We are going to be remodeling this bathroom. Can't get a good visual on that. There it goes. So there's no water damage that we know of. We think that this down here is just from getting in and out of the shower. But hopefully this whole cabinet piece will be coming out because my husband is a very large man. And yeah, sitting on that little bitty teeny tiny toilet, having a big old man, that's just, you know, your knees are going to have to go in the, the bathtub. So, also, he has had a stroke, so he's going to have mobility issues as time goes on. And it's hard for me, even a short person, to get my legs up in such a tall tub. So we're wanting to replace that, and that's where my stepdad comes into play. For some reason, and I don't know why, the Skylight, when they redid the roof, they covered over the Skylight with the roofing type material stuff. So we got to get up there and clean that off and possibly even just replace this whole thing because we don't even know if that leaks. So, sorry, I didn't mean to slap that. And my big wolf dog barking in the background. So, we might replace this AC. Not sure yet. We do have another one that a friend of ours gave us. But, you know, we'll see. Little baby steps. So, that's what we're up against. Thank you for watching.